Hello, here Akhil Srivastav teaching you Maths of class 10th, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. It is a very common chapter and we know the number system. Natural number, real number. Real number is a set of all the type of numbers, rational and irrational. So whole number, natural number, integers, rational number, and irrational numbers all are here. You can get their arithmetic progression. But what is the arithmetic progression? It is very important to know. We know the formula, we know the like this, any number is given 10, 15, 20, 25 to so on. Some numbers are given 100, 150, 200, 250, dot dot. You can say that 35, 30, 25, 20, up to so on. These type of the numbers which is given in fixed pattern. Fixed pattern, you are saying that there is a minus 8, minus 4, 0, 4, 8, up to so on. So these set of numbers which have a fixed value, you are getting the next number by something is adding in the previous one. I have not learned the number. So here this list of the number is adding 5 in the first number and then 5 in the second number, then 5 in the third number. You are getting this set. Same thing. In this first number I am taking 100, adding 50 in the second one, adding 50 in the second, and then adding 50 in this third, then adding 50 in the fourth, and we are getting this set. Dot dot indicate there are infinite. There are two types, finite and infinite. Here it is given 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Here it is given 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, like this. Or you can say 1. So 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. These are the set of numbers given. You want to know that why they are arithmetic. What is this arithmetic? Arithmetic progression is a set of number which has a fixed number adding in the first one or the preceding number. Preceding number, first number is 10. I am adding 5 in 10, you are getting 50. Like this, I am adding 50 in this, getting 150. I am adding 5 in this, subtracting 5. Adding, here I have told adding, means minus 5 is adding in this. What is adding? Minus 5, then minus 5, plus minus 5, plus minus 5. Adding what you are using? Any number, it is an integer, it is a rational number, it is a, what is this? Adding, so opposite sign is also there. Minus 8 plus 4, minus 4 plus 4, 0 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, up to so on. 3 dots indicate they are infinite numbers. Here 75 plus 5, 55 plus 5, so 5 is adding. So these sets are called AP. What is adding here? 1/5 plus 1/5 is equal to 2/5. 2/5 plus 1/5 is equal to 3/5. Like this, 1/5 is adding in each case. You are getting. These terms have a, these are called, these all are called, what is this? It is adding by a fixed value. In the first one, preceding number. You can say the preceding number except that this first number is called the first term. First number of the set is called first term. What is called? First term, and the This first term, we add a fixed amount, fixed number, getting the second and adding. So you are saying the first. From the first we are adding each preceding number except the first, you add the equal amount of number. Then this type of the formed number of sets are called arithmetic progression. That is given in the book definitions, you can write down. And this series, if they are getting like this, then what is given at first place, it is called the first term. There are two type of AP, and these are called the difference between two numbers. So that what fixed number you are adding fixed number, so that number is called common difference. What is common difference? Common difference, that is called CD or simply D. Common difference of between each two consecutive terms is always same, and what you are adding, that is also known as common difference. First term of the series is called the first term of the AP. It is called AP. AP in short form you write arithmetic progression. There are two type of AP. One is finite and another is infinite. Two type of AP. One is finite AP and another is infinite AP. Finite AP is, you are saying the finite AP which have fixed number. This is called finite because there is no dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is your finite number of AP. There is a limit. One first and the last term is given, but it is called infinite AP. What is called? Infinite. Infinite AP, and AP is a set of number which have equal common difference. Common difference between two consecutive numbers. And in the series, if we get a common difference between any two, so general form we will write, if a first number is A, for AP, if you write the first number is A, second number is, in AP, we can say first number A, and the common difference D, then we can write the AP first term number be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to so on. First number, second number, third term. What is the term? That you decide. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term. First term we will not add anything. Because the previous days, from where it starts, we will suppose there is previous number is not given. 100, I have told it means 100, we will not take less than 100. 100 plus, what is the difference? It is your common. Like this you can write the n term. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. What is? It is your first term A1. You can say that it is A1, then A2, then A3, then A4, then A5, up to so on. So what is the A1? A1 is A, first term. What is the A2? A2 you are getting A plus D. How are you getting A plus D? What is the A3? A3 is A plus 2D. If you generalize this, you can get AN. What is the AN? Here, third term is 2 times D. Fourth term is 3 times D. It means, what is the D? It is 1 less than the first term. What is the number of term? 2 minus 1. You can write this as A plus 2 minus 1D. This is the A plus D. Third term you want to get A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So n term you want to get, then A plus n minus 1 into D. It is your general formula for the nth term of the AP. Nth term of the AP, if you want to find out, then you can get what is the first term, what is the second term, what is the third term. then by general form, it is called the general form of the AP. General form you are getting, it is called in the book also, it is given in NCERT, definition is given, page number 95, that you can see. So, common difference is not necessary that always plus. Common difference, CD of any AP will be positive, negative or 0. Any one out of these three. Positive, negative or 0. Why? AP. If the number is given 4, 4, 4, 4, then it is also in AP. It is also an AP. Why? Each term 0 you are adding. Its common difference is 4. Its common difference is 4 or 0. First term is 4, second term also 4, third term also 4. So, an AP will be negative also. You have seen that 30, then 30, 25, then 20, then 15, like this. So, positive, negative and 0, you can get fixed number, and then always the general form of AP, sometimes you know it is the general form of AP, and nth term you can get. What is the nth term and what is the general form? How will you get general form? It is called the general form of AP, whose first term is A and common difference is D. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus up to so on, and by this we will get the nth term of AP. So any AP is given, find the AP, like this you will get the very simple example. Sometimes you will see it is AP but it is not an AP. Check whether it is AP or not. So by this you can get examples, very simple. It was the introductory lecture, that's why I am telling a very simple way. What is, how will you know the AP? If any number is given 105, 100, 95, 90 up to 2. Find the, check whether it is AP or not. If AP, then find the next two terms. First of all, you know, common difference of any number will be always subtracted A2 minus A1. You will calculate the common difference. Common difference is the successive number, subtract the preceding number. So here you find out D1. What is the D1? 100 A2 minus, it is A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1, what will you get? 100 minus 105, what are you getting? Minus 5. D2, what is the D2? A3 minus A2. What is the A3? 95 minus 100, what are you getting? Minus 5. D3, A4 minus A3. What is the 3? One more you will take. A4 is 90. 90 minus 95, again minus 5. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to minus 5. So it is an AP. It is an AP. So its fourth term, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whose first term is 105. Write first term and common difference. Common difference, which is known as D, is equal to minus 5. You are getting? So, what is the formula of general form? A plus D, A plus 2D. You want to get next two term. Next two term you want to find. Next two term means 4 is given 5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. What is the number? 1 less the D. So, what is the A? 105 plus 4 into minus 5. You are getting 105 minus 20. So, 85. What are you getting? 90, then 85. Direct also you can write. You can also write directly 90 minus 5. 85. 85 minus 5, 80. So, A6 you will get A plus 5D. What is the A? A05, 5 into minus 5. 5 5 ja 25. 105 minus 25 will be 80. So, your next two term is this. You are getting 4 answers. First you find out what is A, what is D, what is the fourth or fifth term, what is the sixth term, and you also want to check whether it is AP or not. It may be not AP, then you will write it is not an AP. So we will tell you other in the next lecture. Thanks for today.